Hello everyone and welcome to yet another video from Easy Pips Forex. And in today's video we'll be showing you guys how to trade a smaller account. Now on this account you see here, we are having a $40 account here, and I'm going to be showing the approach of how you can be able to trade your account conservatively. I'm not saying trade your account aggressively. Trade your account or grow your account conservatively using good money management. That's what I'm going to be teaching you guys now. On this trade, on today's video, I'll be focusing majorly on my favorite pair, which is gold, that you all know, and I'll be using 0.03. That's the maximum lot size I will be using for each position I'll be opening on gold, except on the ground that I'm having the setup is 100% sure. That's when I will increase my lot size. So as you can see currently now, we are having just one position open, which is 0.01, and we are good on buy. We are currently on a small profit here, and you can see here below here is my stop loss, and here of course at the top here is my take profit. So I'm not teaching you guys with this video how to flip your accounts aggressively, just like you see in many videos that have been posted out there. I am aware that a lot of persons coming to the forex space, they have a mindset of wanting to grow their accounts. They want to make money from the forex market, but having funds, capital, is a big problem. So in this video, I'm telling you now that you can't be able to grow that your account of $20, $40, $60 or $70. You can be able to grow that your account conservatively using the right lot sizing, putting in mind good money management. And that's what you're going to be seeing in this video I'm going to be showing you now. So we already on this trade. I'm going to be using 0.03 like I mentioned, and we already have one position running now. So in the next 1 minute, a new candlestick will be formed. So I'm waiting for that new candle before I enter. So this is already 11:49. So of course this trade I've just entered, I've already given out the signal on my Telegram channel. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link will be down below, and you can join for free, and you can equally check out our past history and see how we have been doing trading the gold. So you can welcome you on board if you want to join. The link will be found there. So what I'm expecting now is that I want this candle to go up a little bit and fall down, and we start to apply martingale. So that is when I will start entering the other positions that I'm having our allowable trades to run. So bear in mind too that this trade I'm trading, this open position, I'm using ratio 2:1. You can see 72 pips. That's my target at the up there, 72 pips profit, and below is about from where we entered, we are looking at 57 pips. Of course, before it gets down here, I'll show you how I can be able to reduce the loss I'm going to be having. So now this trade is on profits, but I'm not allowing the wins to get into my head. So what am I waiting for now? Like I mentioned, I'm waiting for the next candle to be formed in the next 15 minutes. Okay, good. So this is 11:50. In the next 10 minutes, a new candle will be formed. So I'm anxiously waiting for the next candle to be formed, and I'm waiting a little bit of pullback to this my entry price. I will start to enter at least 2 other positions. But before that, let's go to 5 minutes time frame and see what the new candle is doing. Good and fine. So it has headed. Gold has already done how many pips now? Gold has already done 41 pips of profits. So as you can see guys, this is the signal I've given out. So you can see it here. I've given out the signal that go by, and you can see it now playing out nicely here. So this was the signal to buy gold at this particular price level, and this was the take profit, and the stop loss are here. Like I mentioned, I'm waiting for gold now to fall down here a little bit. This is a 5 minutes time frame. You can see this is 5 minutes time frame. So I'm waiting for gold to just fall down here a little bit, and then we can start going up. Now of course you can see now that the take profit one I've given at 27230 has already been smashed here. So I'm quickly going to alert them of our take profit one. This same trade we're entering here is equally playing out my bigger account. So this account I'm using here now is here for demonstration purpose, and equally bear in mind too that this account we are using is no way demo account. You can see up here is a live account. You can see it here is live account. So don't feel that I'm just doing this just to show you guys how to trade. I'm showing you firsthand how you can trade a small account and grow it conservatively. So let me quickly alert them now here. So that I've done, let me post it to my free channel as well. So now let's lock this position that we have entered. So I've now broken. All right, so I've break even over our position that we're having, and I'm anticipating that goes definitely going to get above this high that we're seeing here. It's going to get above this high that we're seeing here. So a new candle have just been formed. So let's wait and see how it will move, and then we're going to layer more position. So let me take this off here so you can see the profit we're having there. So my anticipation for today's market is how we can be able to carry this account from a $40 account. My anticipation today is to carry this account for $40, as you are seeing here, to at least $60. But bear in mind that the market is not mine to control, so I'm just trading the market, following using my own analysis I'm having in the market. So gold has indeed created a new all-time high, which is at the top here. So candle now to fall down here, and then we are going to start entering the other two positions we're having and allow all of them to run to the top here, and perhaps just this trade alone can give us comfortably maybe 10 or 12 or thereabouts dollars. So I will pause the video now and I'll come back when I'm about to enter the other two positions. So for now it's basically set and forget. So I'll be back shortly. All right, I'm back, guys, and you can see that gold is flying to the moon. So now what we're going to do, so what we're simply going to do, we are going to drag our, this is how you break even your trade, like I keep telling you, break even your trade. So now you drag your stop loss from the initial position it was and you drag it upwards. So that I've done. So now that is still flying up, I can now come in with my one more position I'm having and still keep my take profit at the same level. So what's the ideology behind it? The ideology behind it is now that we have that just one trade that is running. There's no way this candle will just fall down and get down here before going up. So it will still continue to fly up and take off this new high that is here. So it's still going to fly, take over this new high and hit our take profit. So that's what we're anticipating now, as you can see now. So both are running on profit, as you can see here now. Gold is flying to the moon. Gold is flying to the moon, just like I posted. Gold is flying to the moon. So we are still having one more position left. We have one more position left. So you trading your account this way conservatively will help you to keep your account for a long time. So if you blow your account, we are going to just compound our earning conservatively. We're not flipping account here. And bear in mind too that trading small accounts requires a high level of discipline and patience. If you're not patient enough, there's no way you can trade this market and be able to stay in it for a long time, most especially when you're trading a small account. We are still going to wait and see how far this candle will go. So the next candle will determine where and how I'm going to enter my new position, which is the position number 3. So we're still having this pumping upwards now. So you can see I've already told them to TP1 already gone. So how many pips do we have here running? That's 64 pips flying to the moon. It's almost to our TP. So our TP2, our take profit 2 is 2735. and I think it's almost there. 2735 should be here. Yes, of course, 2735 is here. So almost at a profit too. So almost at take profit too. Yeah, wow, boom. 91st. A lot of persons are already posting their profits. Yes, let me use my favorites. So still profits running profits. Yes, still profits running profits. Close to that too. Yep. Okay, so you can see how nice this trade is flying. Gold is flying to the heavens. Okay, so keep adjusting. I will take our SL down here. Both of them will be here. Good. So in that case, I've secured all three that is currently here that is running. So in any event, if gold should pull down, both my SL and my profit will be nil, which is 0 0. So that's how I trade small accounts. So we're not closing anything out. We are going to simply wait for it to hit our take profits. It's going to hit here. Gold is definitely going to hit here. That I'm very sure of. So I'll be back shortly and I'm going to show you guys how it goes. Alright, so now I'm back. I'm going to take one more risk here, and this risk might be the only risk we have for now. But I'm still waiting, I'm still anticipating a little bit of drawdown, a little of drop. We just want a drop, or just want a pull down, or just want a pull down. So currently now gold has done 70 pips of profits and our TP2 is smashed. Okay, now I don't want to put my profits. Okay, let me close that a bigger account. That's about 74 pips of profits. Okay, so here's where the bigger risk comes in now, guys. So I want that to come down here, come down, come down, come down, come down. I want us to take the yes, a little bit, a little bit. Okay, I don't want to wait any longer. I don't want to wait any longer, guys. So let's see if we can get the moon from here. So these are the position we have entered. We are $7 on this trade currently now. If it still falls down, I'm still going to enter with a 0.02 lot size because it's still going to take a new high. I'm expecting a new higher high. So all TP should go above the previous highs, and we'll keep adjusting our SL. Okay, so I've locked our profits. I've locked all profits here currently now. So we're having just this 0.02 at the top here. So I'm expecting it to still fall down. If you can, I still want it to fall down a little bit, and then I will now enter another position. So let's see if it falls down a little bit. This is how you trade the market. As you can see currently now, we are now having all the positions I want to enter. I've now keyed all of them in. 4 positions already open: 0.02, 0.02, 0.01, and 0.01. Now you might be wondering, why did I not enter 4 positions with a different lot size? The reason behind is nice. We're having profit here already from this previous stream. Remember, we entered here and we equally entered here and we equally entered here. So the profit we're having here from here and here can be able to cover for any position of loss that we're having floating at the top here. So now that we've already done that, you find that let me move this a little bit. we're having a little bit of loss here, which is true. I can see that, but now just watch the magic. You see how gold will fly up shortly. Gold is going to fly up shortly, and this can be able to take us to perhaps 52, 53 or $55 as the case may be. So let's allow this trade to run, and we'll be back to see how far this trade will go. Okay. All right, guys, so I'm back, and you can see currently now that yes, indeed, gold is flying to the heavens. So you can now see now that gold is about to smash our take profit. So, but I'm not going to wait for it to hit our take profit at the higher end there. So I'm going to start taking off some profit at this point in time, because if I can tell if it will start falling. So now let's take off most of the profit we're having here off. I'm going to have just one trade that is running. So I'm going to lock this trade and allow it to run. So if it will get there, it's going to give us $4 in profits, but then I still feel it's going to break beyond there. So let's shift a little bit. So now look at the profit we have done so far. We have gotten $8 from this trade, and that is how I trade each small account conservatively from 40 to 48 currently here, which is already secured. And on this side, yes, already secured because I already locked in our profits. So we are going to, in any event, if it should fall down, it's going to be $0.3, which is 0.3 USD loss, but it's in profit all the same. So I want to take this a little bit up. In any event, it should be $1. Okay, good. Just want to be $1. $1, please. Okay, that's okay, fine. So let's allow it to be that way and see if it will run, and if we hit our take profit with $5, and that would be a nice one. So far so good. How many pips have we made from this trade now? Let's see. That's about 68 pips from this trade. So guys, you can see how you can go to trade your account conservatively. You can see the reason why I've decided to add the 0.02 at the top. So one of them is already taken out, and we're having one currently there now. So let's see, we're having this running now. So the reason behind me taking 0.02 is because 0.02 are closer. They are the top. They are the ones we open at the top. We are the upper levels. So in any event, if it should fall down, so I said to close that out because that can give us a lot of loss if it should fall against us. So that's more reason I close that out and allow this one to run alone. So let's see, to fall down below there. So let's see. Let's just see what we're going to make from this. So I will pause this video and I'll be back later. All right, so I'm back to the chart, and you can see we're just few pips away from our take profit number 2. So they still keep flying. So if we should close out now, we're going to close out on 52 pips. So let me quickly check on 1 hour time frame and see what we're having here. Of course, gold is still going to fly up. Gold is still going to keep flying up. So for now, we're not going to close out now. We are still going to allow this trade to run. So once this is over, then we'll start looking for another setup and see how we can go to achieve our $60 target for today, because that's the target for today, guys. $60 is the target for today. So if we can do that on 2 setups, that would be nice, that would be awesome. But if we can do it on 3 setups, no problem. So but let's see how this trade ends, and I believe those of you that are in my channel will learn a lot from this, how to lay your positions, apply martingale, how to lock in your profits and stuff like that. All those you're going to learn from this video that is here, right here. So the next tip is in view. It's going to take a lot of time, but it's definitely going to hit it. It's worth the wait. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame now again and see. Let me quickly zoom in so you can see what's happening here now. All right, so you can see how it's playing out here. You can see how it's playing out here. So like I mentioned, our stop loss is here. So in any event, we are always going to be close out here. Anticipating your audience wants to be at least a minimum of $1. $1, yep. And see, yeah, $1, yes, okay. So this is what we have left here now. So let's see how it goes. It has already taken out the higher high here, and most likely, okay, let's see, let's see. Okay, 1 hour time frame is coming down, 15 minutes is coming down. I'm still not going to close this out now, guys. So let's take a little bit of risk here, which it was. So let's allow it to fall down a little bit, and now we're going to go into buy here at this level. We're literally going to scalp with that 0.02 at the top. That's what I've just done. I'm going to scalp with that 0.02 at the top, and let's see how far it goes. So the 0.02 at the top is to enable us to scalp the market. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see what we're talking about here, because I'm expecting a reverse, a turning point here. I'm expecting a turning point here because of these two candle wicks are here. So what's happening here, the market has come down here, and it has created an all-time high before now. It came down here and went up here again, and a new all-time high has been created. Definitely it's going to fall down. I'm aware of it's going to fall down here before going up back. But then I'm certain about this entry I've just done now. So let's allow both to run together and see what we have there. So feel this market is not going to fall all down here. It's still going to come a little bit and start going back up again when it gets here. So a little rejection from this level is this now. It's going to take us close to where we are coming from. I want you to learn is this. Look at what we're having here now. I've just edged the account. Our profits and our loss, you can look at it. We're having just 0.03 here now. I edged the loss with the trade we're having here. So I'm using this profits to edge the floating 0.02 that we're having at the top here. So in any event, let's allow this trade to run and see if good has the momentum to still drag below here, and if it does, good, we accept the loss. But if it doesn't, then we are going to be having crazy profit here, guys. I keep saying crazy profit here. You can see the direction I actually wanted to have is now going up. Gold is going back up, and any pull from here it is now, guys, we should be swimming in massive profit. So where would this take profit be? I won't want it to be much, not enough. I can be able to have $3 from here. So here with $3, then I can be able to bring out this one from here, and then perhaps put it down here, and then we'll close that maybe on $7 in profit. So let's wait and see how far this trade will go, guys. So let's wait and see. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so I'm back to the chart, and the good I've done is thing. It literally did not go as planned, so let's leave that out. Okay, so we are literally going to look for more setups shortly to cover up. All right, so this is where we are now. So we're having one loss of minus 2, and the other one that we took above the entry price was 1. That is all we have here now. So I'm going to wait till I have further setup on this. Let me see what we're having here first. Okay, so that's all for this first trading setup. I'll be back shortly when I'm about to take a second setup for today.